Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today, we're tackling a common issue, the P0099 trouble code. If you've got this error on your OBD2 scanner, don't worry, we'll walk you through diagnosing and fixing it step by step. Let's dive in. The P0099 code refers to intake air temperature sensor to circuit intermittent erratic. This sensor monitors the temperature of air entering your engine. An issue here can lead to poor fuel efficiency and performance. Now, let's figure out why this might happen. Check engine light is on. Poor engine performance. Reduced fuel efficiency. Trouble starting the engine. OBD2 scanner. Multimeter. Replacement IAT sensor if necessary. Screwdrivers or a socket set. Electrical contact cleaner. Gloves and safety glasses. First, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0099 code and any other related codes. This will help narrow down the issue. The IAT sensor could be on the throttle body, attached right to the intake manifold. First, carefully remove the IAT sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed a test on the IAT sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific IAT sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the IAT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Locate the air filter housing. It usually looks like a black plastic box. Disengage the cover to expose the air filter. Be careful not to dislodge any hoses or stretch any wiring when you do this. Remove the old filter carefully. Pay attention to the orientation of the filter as it comes out of the housing. Clean out any excessive dirt or debris inside the compartment before installing the new filter. Follow the orientation of the removed filter and put the new filter in place. Make sure the outer seal is seated properly before closing the cover. Close the cover and replace the clips and screws. Once everything is fixed, clear the code using the scanner, start the engine and take it for a test drive to ensure the check engine light doesn't come back on. And that's how you fix a P0099 code. A faulty intake air temperature sensor might not seem like a big deal, but ignoring it can lead to reduced fuel efficiency and engine performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY auto repair tips. See you in the next one.